get 1 minute. Right through it.
Crashed here.
Wow.
That's how I learned it.
Corner, then you have hands movement. You don't track. If you go to put a car down and you notice something's wrong with the bottom of the car, like the shoes hanging off or something like that, you give it to the driver. Let him fix it. You got to be ready. You got to be watching your corner, you got to be watching the driver, because the driver's supposed to fix it and then give it back to you for you to put on where it came off. Does that make sense? Let's see, what else? What am I missing? I didn't have a chance to train her on marshalling. I'm trying to do that now before the main.
Oh,
Start now.
No, hang on, I'm not ready yet.
Expect me now.
All right. Sorry. Didn't see there.
That's okay.
Time to rock and orange.